Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now. And though I could not upload videos for the last 2-3 days, but I can see that things have not changed much. Yesterday, yes, we had some volatility on the chart of gold USD after the FOMC report when dollar became very strong. But you can see that overall the levels still remain intact because you can clearly see that 171890 still remains the resistance for the market, and 1750 on the downside remains the support on the market again. So these two levels are intact, but the chart of US dollar has changed a little bit, and you can see that dollar is in uptrend again. And as we all know, to make money on gold USD chart, you must understand what is going on in the chart of US dollar, the DXY. So let's try to find out. So this is the chart of US dollar, and if you have watched my previous video, then I clearly mentioned that there is a good chance of market taking support at 93.20. So as per our expectation, market took support, and you can see that after the FOMC report, market bounced from this level only. So again, market is coming down. So 93.20 is still a valid support for the market. And as we all know, if dollar goes up, gold goes down, and if dollar goes down, the price of gold goes up. So this level is important for the market, the support at 93.20. And you can see that apart from the support at 93.20, I have also drawn a trend line, because when we join these price levels, we can see that market is also forming a dynamic support. Therefore we have got two support for the DXY US dollar. First of all, 93.20 level, and in case 93.20 level fails to provide support to the market, then there is a good possibility of this trend line providing support to the market. So just keep in mind, whenever dollar will be bouncing from the support, definitely there will be selling on the gold, because when dollar goes up, gold goes down. When dollar goes up, then dollar goes down, gold goes up. They are correlated. So when dollar will be bouncing from the support level, then definitely gold will be going down. So this is the main reason you should understand the important levels on the chart of DXY. So apart from the support levels, the resistance on the DXY still remains same, 93.60. So as I have already discussed in my previous videos, that when dollar will be reaching 93.60 level, there is a good possibility of a trend reversal. And if trend reverses from the 93.60, then definitely there will be good buying on the gold. Clear? So what should be a strategy for gold USD right now? So the strategy is simple, my dear friends. No need to take any pressure. Right now gold is trading in the middle. So if you buy here, your stop loss will be here and your take profit will be here. So your risk to reward is not much in your favor. And if you short the market also here, then again your risk to reward is not great. So what I'm saying is that no need to take risk right now. As I always say, do not trade in the middle, my dear friends. This is your hard-earned money. It's your duty to protect your capital, and you can only protect your capital if you trade wisely and you take the proper trade. In the chart of gold USD, the best trading opportunity right now is the same: short the market at the resistance level and go for a buy at the support level. Do not trade in the middle. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find it on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. Yes, I have changed the color of my website. uh, See, in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 32% retail traders have taken short position and 67% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, my dear friends, 90% retail traders, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So 67% are thinking that market will be going up. So there is a good possibility of gold going down further. Anyways, whatever, my dear friends, my only request is trade wisely, trade with proper analysis. And my dear friends, recently I have also launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website, check out the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Okay, so the strategy, hopefully you've understood. When market will be going up from here, just observe the market at the resistance zone. If you see market struggling near the resistance zone, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still present at 1780 and 90 level, and you can short the market. And when market will be reaching this support zone 1750, just observe the price. If you see price being rejected from below, then also you'll get the confirmation that yes, buyers are present, you can go for a buy. And just make sure that you consult the DXY chart. Okay, in case DXY is in support and about to bounce from here, then do not go for buy on gold, because as I've clearly explained, they are correlated. Dollar goes up, gold goes down. Dollar goes down, gold goes up. So before buying or selling on the gold chart, just make sure you just consult the DXY chart once. That's it. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.